Hey, it's just another windy day up here in the plains, and got some 90-mile-per-hour wind right now. Oh my gosh, my car's gonna tip over. I'm waiting for the girls to get out of school. I'm just getting tossed all around the place. I can't even believe it. So today Willow and I just kind of hung out around the house. Hubby was home studying for a test, and hopefully he got a lot of studying done. I got a lot of work done working on my next series that's due out in the fall. This wind is crazy, but I swear I'm not like shaking my body. It's happening on its own. It's insane. But I don't even remember what I was saying because I'm so certain that my van is going to tip over. Even there's like 30 other cars in the parking lot and they're not tipping over. But yeah, so just kind of hanging out here in the parking lot. Usually Willow's with me, but since her dad is home today, she's there with him, and she's taking a little nap. And hopefully Lily makes it to the car without blowing away. So now, not only is it 90 miles per hour wind, but my car won't start. I have the car seat. I can't get a hold of anyone. And the baby's at home with the husband, so I don't know what we're gonna do.
So my dad just got here in his jumping car, I don't know what it's called, but yay! The car's starting again. So, I mean, yeah, it's starting. Woohoo!